Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Good morning, student.
Morning, teacher. How are
You
you,
s-
teacher?
I'm fine. Have a seat.
Thank you, teacher.
So, Mr. Sportshow, now I will teach you about level one. It's very useful for us. It's the basic level of spoken English.
Yes.
Do you know that?
Yes.
What's the take, Sportshow? I was seeing in the book. What's the take? Well, Mr. Sportshow, do you have any question about level one?
Yes, I have a question.
Oh, you know what topic?
So may I ask you a question?
Of course, you can.
Sir, my question is that, sir, how can I use special credits or why I use special credits?
Oh, that's very important questions for student. And then have a seat. Special grading means, at first you should know what is special grading. Grading means what we use. Grading is very useful for us. We need gradings every day. Special grading is what we use in special day, like Eid Day and Pahala Boisha and like New Year and etc. etc. Like you have your your friend's birthday is today. What do you say to your friend?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! It's special day. In reply, what did he say?
Thank you. Maybe. Thank you.
Yeah, it's beautiful. When is the Eid Day? You know Eid Day? Eid Day?
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy Eid day.
Yes, happy Eid Day. When any Muslim meet with another Muslim, what did they say? Happy Eid Day.
Eid day.
Or Eid Mubarak.
Yes,
Eid Mubarak. It's called special day. And what we say in like special holiday, have a nice holiday, have a nice holiday, have a nice journey. This special greetings. Oh, Mr. Sponsor, do you understand my topic?
Yes.
Oh, now I'm asking you two questions.
Okay.
Please stand up.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Sponsor, if I meet you in Eid Day, what did you say to me?
Happy Eid day.
In reply, what did I say?
Thank you. No, it's
What will I
happy Eid day.
Happy Eid. Yeah, it's it.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Sponsor, do you have another question?
No, sir.
I hope you should have revised because your exam is knocking the door.
Yes.
So if you have any few confusion in any topic of level 1, please ask me.
So, so yes, I have a
Alright.
question. The question is that how can I develop in my talk show? How can I contribute my talk show?
Oh, it's very important question. It depends, how to say it, it depends on your practice. You know, practice. It depends on your speaking skill. Talk show, speaking skill. And you have to have a mirror in your house, and behind the mirror, you should practice it every day. And talk show is totally depend on practice and other partner. I am giving you a talk show right there in your
Yes,
book.
yes, sir. At the last meeting book, there is a
Yeah.
talk show about the importance of learning.
Important, yes. I'm giving you that important of learning English. And it is you have many ice breakings. Your pronunciation is not good, so I'm giving you some dialogues like that. Conversation 1,
Okay, competition 1,
2,
2,
and 4.
4.
Practice it 10 times
Okay, sir.
behind the mirror. And Spasha, do you have any other question?
Yes, all clear, sir.
Oh, Spasha, I hope you should have You should have a knowledge about showing interest.
Yes, I have. I know how to show interest.
I am repeating this. After repeating, I will ask you 5 questions. 2 questions. You will ask. You will also answer me. Showing interest. What do you know about showing interest? What do the word mean interest? Showing interest means when anyone show interest on any case. Like showing interest, there are 6 ways of showing interest. Of really? What?
Really,
Repeat after me. Really?
really,
Sure.
sure.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
And Mr. Posho, so you understand my topic?
Yes.
So stand up and answer my questions. How can we say I don't know? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Like that. Have no idea. Have no clue. Have wondering to.
Mr. Posho, I have another question. It's the basic question. How many skills are there in English?
There are 4 skills in English.
What are they?
They are speaking, listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, writing skill.
Have it. Oh, you know that. So I am giving you the lesson for next class. You must know I give you
This
talk
lesson.
show and conversations, and there is another question you need, and you have to know how many skills are there in English. You know that how to improve them. I have homework for you. Write an essay, a paragraph. Okay, today class is in. I have another class. Hope to see you next. Till then, stay home. Want to play outside? Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.